Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add negative keywords to your Google Ads campaign. So what are negative keywords? Well, they're words or phrases that you add to your Google Ads campaigns to prevent your ads from showing when people search for those terms. Think of them as the opposite of regular keywords. Regular keywords tell Google, hey, show my ad to people searching for this. Whereas negative keywords tell Google, hey, do not show my ads to people searching for this. So why are these important? Right. The first reason is relevance. They ensure ads are shown to the right people, those most likely to be interested in your products or services. Two, cost savings. By filtering out irrelevant searches, you avoid paying for clicks from people who just won't convert. And then finally, improved ROI. So the better targeting leads to higher click-through rates and conversion rates, improving your return on investment. So as an example, let's say you're a luxury shoe retailer. You'd target keywords like luxury shoes or designer shoes, but you'd use negative keywords like cheap shoes, discount shoes, or used shoes to avoid showing your ads to the bargain hunters out there. And then just like regular keywords, negative keywords have match types that control how strict the exclusion is. So broad match, this will exclude searches that contain all the words in your negative keyword in any order, and there's no formatting for this, similar to the regular keywords. Then phrase match, which excludes searches that contain the exact phrase in the same order, and you have the double quotes formatting. And then exact match, which excludes searches that exactly match your negative keyword phrase with no extra words. And then you have the brackets formatting. So let's go ahead and show you how to add negative keywords. Say you're running a Google Ads campaign for your hardscaping business, and you want to make sure you're not wasting money on irrelevant clicks. For example, if you specialize in paver patios, you don't want to show up for searches like how to build a paver patio myself or cheap pavers. So you'd add negative keywords such as how to, DIY, and cheap to your campaign. And so here are a few categories of relevant negative keywords. You have the DIY or informational negative keywords like how to build a patio or patio design ideas. And you also have materials such as pavers for sale or the cost of gravel. And then you also want to add related but different services. So things like lawn mowing service. And by adding these, you make sure ads only show to people who are actually looking to hire a professional hardscaper, not to do it themselves, materials, or related but different services. So let's go ahead and add our negative keywords, right? So show you, go to campaigns, select your campaign, go down here, and go to keywords, then click on negative keywords, then click the plus button. And so you can add negative keywords at the campaign level across all ad groups, or you can add negative keywords just to specific ad groups and block searches just for that specific ad group. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few to the campaign level. For this one, do DIY as a broad match negative keyword, and what this blocks is your ads won't show for searches like DIY patio. Then the next one is a phrase match negative keyword patio furniture, and so your ads won't show for searches such as best patio furniture or patio furniture sets for sale or outdoor patio furniture near me. It specifically blocks that exact phrase even if there are other words around it. And then the last one that I want to add is pavers as an exact match negative keyword. And so your ads will only be prevented from showing when someone searches for the exact single word pavers. Prevents your ads from appearing for people who are just looking to buy materials, not looking to hire an installer. So after that, we click save, and that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful and want more Google Ads tips, feel free to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release new content every week.